up and play with it.
Loverboy's watching him video of himself. Look at him, check it out. Don't mess up the screen. Watch where you touch, baby. It's you, honey. You're a star. You're on YouTube. You think you're cute or what?
You're quick.
Huh. I don't know what to think of that, do ya? Get off my computer. Get down. Get down, Goofy. Okay, off the keyboard. What you think of that? It's you. Oh, on. What did you do to my computer? Alright, there. What do you think? What do you think, baby? Huh? There's my baby boy. You're about as big as my computer. Hey! What do you think of that? Hey, you're messing it up. It's a video of you, baby. What do you think? Huh? What do you think, silly boy? Have a boy. Hey. Have a boy. What you doing, baby? You gonna sneak attack my hand? Hi, cutie pie. Hi. What you doing? What you think? Hey, don't mess with my cord. Don't. Ow! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop! Oh! Are you gonna get me? Are you gonna get me, huh? Huh, killer? Let's wrestle. Wrestle, mama. Oh, back to the video. Nope, guess not. Bored with it? Where you going? Where you going, little boy? Jump. Don't get my toes. Don't even think about it. Don't get mama's toes. Haha. Silly boy. You're gonna get me? Hey! Hey! Get! Get! Silly boy. Hey, go get your toy. Go get your toy. Not my toys. Get your toy. Get your toy, not my toys. Hey, you. What is up? Okay, I'm getting the squirt bottle. I'm gonna get the squirt bottle. Look what Mama's got. Hey. Hey, quit it. And away he goes. Love boy. Get matter, Mama squirt you with the squirt bottle. Be nice. Get your toy. Oh, sneaking up on it. Oh. Damn, you left it in the couch so he would play with it while she was gone. Yeah, it's not as much fun as when you play with Aunt Tammy, is it? Do I need to give you a flea bath? Tomorrow. I'm gonna give you a bath tomorrow. Again, haha. Get it! Get it, baby! Get it! Yeah, not fun, is it? It just doesn't move like it does when you play with your Aunt Tammy. Oh, you got a scratch, you can't itch. Huh? Here, baby. You gonna pull it out of the couch? Hi, cutie. How you doing? Sit. Mama's gonna give you a flea bath. You're itching too much. Better hope it's dry skin. No fun.